Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Universe Sam. This video is about word add-ins. What are add-ins? They are actually some small programs with extra features. So you can add these add-ins into your document. So in this video, we will discuss a few of these add-ins. So let's get started with the word cloud. Before we start working on it, I just wanted to show you how does this word cloud looks like. It looks like this. So you have some words written in this form. They look so beautiful. You can have different color combinations also. So let's get started. Okay, I have already prepared my document for this. You can have any kind of data here, any kind of document, your article, even if it's in column forms, even if it's without commas. Anything can be done with the word cloud. For word cloud, you have to have a developers tab here. I cannot find it here. All right. So what do? Right click on this area here. Customize. This is the ribbon area. So I'll customize it. And on the right hand side, you will find this developer here. It's unchecked by default. I'll check it and okay. So now you see it's here. Okay, so once this developers tab is added, you can find add-ins here. Click on it. So this window opens. There are 3 tabs here. My add-ins. Right now, I don't have any add-ins here. Admin managed and the store. So I can go to store to look for one. I'll write down here word cloud and search. This is the one I'm looking for, Pro Word Cloud. Add, continue, and it opens on the right side pane. Okay, so first of all, I have to select my text. I select this area and I can change the font. I'll make it this one. I can change the colors, whatever color combination you want. So let's try the default one first. And then there is layout. It says mostly horizontal. Okay, let it be like that for the time being. An intelligent case. And then I'll just say create word cloud. There you go. So it took like a few seconds to create this thing. So I'll just copy this area. And I can paste it here in my document. See, it looks so beautiful and it took hardly a couple of seconds to make this word cloud. Now, suppose I want it like on a brighter side. So I'll change this color combination here. I'll say I needed more of a bright one. And here layout, I want half and half. And okay, so I need to select my area first again and say create word cloud. There you go. So you can have any combination, anything that you want, and you can paste it anywhere like this. So I hope you liked it, and I loved it so much that I couldn't resist myself from making a video about it. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, after this, we have Wikipedia. Suppose I want to make an article over Bill Gates or Elon Musk. So I either go to Google and search for it, or I can stay in my document and go to add-ins, find out Wikipedia from here and search for them. The same way, I'll go to add-ins, store. I'll look for Wikipedia this time. There it is. I add it to my document. All right, so I can look for Bill Gates. There you go. I got all the information about Bill Gates from within my document, and I can copy paste anything that I want. So suppose this one, I'll take just one paragraph about Gates and paste it here. Then I'll look for Elon Musk. And I'll just copy paste the first paragraph to my document. So this is it. And then we have emojis. Developer, add-ins, go to store, look for emojis. Let's see if we have emojis here. Yes, add, continue, got it. Okay, so now I have these emojis added here. So while I'm working with my articles, I can even insert any emoji of my choice. Just click on this. This will open up emojis. It's same like what we get in WhatsApp. There are categories here. So the faces first, animals, food, flags, etc., etc. Okay, so I'll go pick one emoji from here. Let's say this one. Okay, and then you can resize it. You can even move it around and place it anywhere you like. So this was another add-in. Okay, so in this video, we are done with 3 add-ins so far, but I want to introduce you to something which is part of the Word documents, not an add-in, but Word's own feature. So let's go do this translate. So I have prepared my story here, Cinderella, and I want to translate it into some other language. Copy this, go to review, translate. There are 2 options here. It says translate selection or translate the whole document. I want translate selection, the area that I have selected. I pick it up. Okay, so it automatically detected that it is in English. It translated into English. Okay, so I will pick up, say, French. All right, so I got the whole story in French. I can copy it and paste it. Okay, let's try some other languages. I'll select Urdu now. All right, so I got it in Urdu. Let's try Arabic. There you go. I hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.